So hi there guys. So we're back here with another Minecraft video. This is part 3 of my new series. So we ended up with this stupid little tree house. No, if you know that I just can't even get in it the way I wanted to get into it. But I know how to fix that problem. The only way I can fix that problem is if I have a crafting table. I actually need a crafting table in order to complete that problem. But I need a crafting table. But I can't get a crafting table because of that problem. So what am I going to do? I'm going to break into my house, of course. Okay, so, turn it into some sticks. See where I'm going with this. Now I'm stuck with 3 ladders. So I could just put these there, climb up here, and boom, now we can finally get into our home. I don't like the pigeons, or the birds. They suck. But you know what doesn't suck? My house. So I'm gonna expand it over this side. So boom, I feel like making some stairs going up here. I like have a little balcony. We need to run for my melons, so. Oh my god, parrots move! You're in my way. You're in my way. I'm making dough, I'm making bread. Y'all in my way. In my way, eh? So let's just go to sleep. You can continue that in the morning. And yeah, this video is going to be the greatest one I want to make. I probably have like 8 other videos made by then. So then I need this tree now. So make some sticks. Make another axe. Just in case that one breaks on us. Because if it breaks on us, this would be terrible. I might kill the parrots. Oh! Where does this take us? Oh. Uh-oh. Parrots! Up, 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 up. Come on, guys. This is what I mean. That's what I mean. They're trying to kill themselves. So I have plans. No other one. I can't get in my house. Why is he not letting me in my house? Okay, now I have another problem. Because I'm not allowed in my house anymore. By law. For some reason. For some funny reason. So you know what I'm gonna do? Huh? Okay, I'm not allowed in my house, so that's a start. How come? Okay, so I need more sticks now, because apparently, you can't climb the vines to ladders. Go back to your home. It's hell. I'm gonna need to get up there in order to once more. Get the crafting table again, because this game sucks and doesn't care about me. So crafting table is right here. Let's make a little jungle logs. And then let's make some sticks. Because sticks equal good, and good equals sticks. And I might just make some fence to go around there. I don't know. And I can use the spare ladders. Never mind, there's gonna be no spare ladders. Yeah! Done it! I really do hate this. So. Let me out of the water! Okay, I'm making a platform. There. Tired of this. On my way. Boom, boom, boom. Because I'm too tired. Too tired of this. Clear these vines before they start growing like that. My treehouse is going to look absolutely fabulous. Make some sticks. Oh no. Funky. I'm going insane. I'm seriously going insane. These parrots aren't helping. That's it. I'm gonna have to keep one and eliminate the other. I'm gonna keep this one because he's the OG, so you can stay right there. You can stay there. Parrots! Down here. Ooh, feathers. You get off me right now. There's no running away. Get off me before I make you die dead. Stevie, how do I get this guy off me? I have an idea. Is that my parrot? I'll try. Oh, I'm a genius! I'm a genius! Why did I say that in such a weird voice? I am a genius, though. Assassination. Take it. I'm going to make a jacuzzi. Howdy there, neighborino. I was only keeping one. No, it's this little guy. You wanna go on my shoulder? Hey. Get off my shoulder or I'll kill you. I'm joking. Look, this is valuable. Alright. We now have coal, so we can now make iron. Okay, so we put the coal in there. Place like 2. And melt this iron. Let's make some torches. Okay, now I have torches to survive. So let's put some torches on these corners. Let's put some here, 2 decoration. 1 on this side, 1 on this side. Then we can save the other 2. So that's it for today. And this is the thumbnail. And bye guys.